PC Parkour LB. David 1 LOL Games, welcome. Kanos Oh, kena. Dali na. Batas na na. This is a relax. Okay, may technique ako sa inyo guys. Ganito lang to. Ganito lang. Ganyan. Yan. Kung ito, deads. Diba? Look. Visible. This is not visible. Guys. That's the technique. Is it right? Yes, that's right. This one. No, that's wrong. This is the right. Wait pa lang po guys. Okay, nawa kasi ang account ko. Dali ka lang mumuha mo account. Hit up and comment if I should speak English or Tagalog, Bisaya, please in the comments. Okay guys, ito ang pangalan ko sa Roblox. Yan, dito. Yan, ako yan. Ah, girlfriend ko. Sus ko, namatay ko. Mag-English kayo ako guys. Ito ping comment. Right. Okay. Suwas mo mag-English ba ko or mag-Tagalog? Lucky girl. guys. First try. Bro, this is not the first try. Bro, this is a easy op. This is not hard. How did I die? I Maybe I should unfriend her. Where's that girl? Should I unfriend her? Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments. Should I unfriend her? Tell me in the comments. And tell me in the comments. Pamita naman tell me on the comments. Tell me in the comments. Nangigil ko. I thought we're friends. Auto jump. Why I'm in auto jump? Bro. It's loading money, guys. Kamatay na guys. Wait lang. Akin na mga guys. Ang babae. Bro, this is a lost. I thought that's not a block. Bro. Should I show you my garden? Like if I grow a garden. Should I? Please in the comment, please. Pagsuot sa comment. Sige na ka. Comment. Uy, ano ko comment? I read your comments. There's no comment. Why are you writing that? Why are you writing? Naman dili mo mag-suot sa comment. Ko basa. Tell me everything. Should I play a game? Another game? I don't know. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. No. Matay ko ani. Ha? Wala, mama. Ano? Oh, classmate. Wait lang, guys. This is my classmate named Cyrus. I should go in there. Okay, when I finish this game, I will invite her another game. Last is Cyrus. Ang mga classmates, sila Ale, si Lyra, si Jake, si Colin, si Collinated. Si Colin, nahimon ang Collinated. Collinated ang tawag niya sa una. Tawag ko sa iyong pangalan. Apilo na ako si Pandire. Lovely, si Nancy, si Abarca, Reno, Yoji, nga bayuton. Ako ganahan niya. Ambot na, naaba si Kwan Cyrus. Ambot na hindi pa si Cyrus. Naka si Cyrus. Where's Cyrus? Believe good Cyrus. Kaya wala ako. Nakadali araw ko. Na-slide ko. Nope. Why did you die? I see you death. I watch your death. Should I quit this? Maybe not. Should I quit this game? Maybe no. Hit the pin comment. Hit the link comment. No! I died. How many did I die? How did I die? Bro, what is that face? Like the boring face? No. No! Should I walk like a gangster? What's that? It's gonna take a while. Now, maybe not. Because I'm almost there. How many stage? I want to finish this game. Don't worry. Karon ka pa lang. Bro. Sige, nag-join na ako. Nag-join na ako. Tag $5 lang. Nag-join na ako. Maukat to nga mga classmate nag-join na ako. Ambot yun sa batong uban. Pa-shoutout si Aisel. Pa-shoutout si Upaw. Si It's Upaw. Og i-shoutout pod ang mga kaklase. Vlogger. Si AJ Michael pod. Si AJ Michael. Search lang AJ siguro. Kaya hindi ko alam ang pangalan sa Facebook at malapit na. Yes, malapit na. So, bro. Yes. Wow. Can I do this now? Yes. Yay! We win! Okay guys, thanks for watching and subscribe and hit the pink comment and goodbye.